Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to scan products on Amazon. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Amazon has announced that rollout of new visual search feature for users. This should make it easier for you to find what you're looking for among everything on the store. Ahead of Amazon Prime Deals Day, the company is rolling out visual suggestion where someone searches for an item with a visual description like flannel shirt. Amazon gives the user image suggestion that represent different style or flannel shirt. This is supposed to help the customer get more detailed with their search and find product that closely match. So how to search products, scan products on your Amazon? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Amazon. Now, on your home, you can see there is a search bar on the top of your Amazon home. You can just tap on that and you can see the camera icon on the search bar, or you can, when you open it, I'm sorry, when you click on the search bar, you'll find there is an option scan products. You can just tap on that and you can just scan the product that you want to search on Amazon. For example, we'll try to scan this product. It's processing. So here's the search result. You can see a relatable item. Here's the speaker. And if you want to search another products, maybe like this one, you can just point your camera on the items and tap on the search button. Amazon will processing your products and give you the recommendation items. It's very simple, right? You can also search products by image. And here, you can just tap on the image and choose on the upload on the image that you want to search on your products. And you can also scan barcode of the products that you want to search. It's very simple, right? So that is how to scan products on Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.